If you need extra help getting better at monograms, the Monograms collection by my friend Fabien, you may know him as Mr. Cup on Instagram, which I also have linked down in the description. This is an absolute masterpiece of a collection of monograms from every letter. And so the book is actually categorized by letter that you can go down. I remember talking with Fabien before this book was completed with all of the preparation works, and I actually got to talk to him, and he showed me some of the sheets and some of the old folders and binders that he was finding full of just different monograms that he would be scanning in to compile here. This is one resource that anyone, graphic designer, letterer, or whatever, can utilize and have in their toolbox so that they can bring out and get an idea for what they might want the monogram to look like. And I'm just going to read this first part in the book here. So it says, in a world saturated with mass-produced items and standardized designs, there exists a timeless art form that epitomizes elegance, individuality, and personal flair. These intricate, intertwined symbols, meticulously crafted with precision and creativity, have adorned countless objects throughout history, leaving an indelible mark on both decorative arts and the very notion of personal identity. With over 12,000 examples, this collection celebrates the beauty, significance, illuminating their rich history. So whether you're an avid collector, a design enthusiast, or simply curious about the art of personalization, this collection invites you to immerse yourself in a world where artistry, history, and self-expression converge. I hope this book will inspire you to create your own monograms and make this art live for more centuries. So this is just one in a series of 3 different books that Fabien has. I'm actually doing a video right after this one on the Atlas collection. I've also done a video already on the Alphabet Cities or the Sanborn Maps collection that you can check out here on the channel. This one in particular really speaks to me because monograms can be really difficult, and it's so nice to be able to just open up the book and go to the exact letter in the alphabet and then just see pages of different combinations between W and whatever, or V, or some of those hard letters like Y and Z, or even like E in the midst of different kinds of letter forms. So this, I think, a must-have really for any graphic designers that are going to be doing more of their vintage work. So I have this linked down in the description for you to go check out from Fabien's shop. I'm sure that he would be overjoyed to have this in the hands of more people. So please go check that out. Follow him on Instagram as well, and make sure you check out the next video where I'm going to be talking about the Atlas book as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.